Good morning to all. Myself Jesus Arani, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce from Sakti College of Arts and Science for Women in Vatanjitra. Let us discuss about women entrepreneur. First, to know about entrepreneur. The word entrepreneur is derived from the French word that means entrepreneur, which means to undertake a particular activities. The entrepreneur is a person who started off an enterprise, business or firm, and also he works for himself and also provides employment opportunities to others, and also he is a own boss of our business. In the term entrepreneur was applied to business by the French economist Cantillon in the 18th century to designate a dealer who purchase domains of a production for combining them into market products. The entrepreneur is an organizer of a business firm central to its distributive and productive function. Next, to see about characteristics of an entrepreneur. The entrepreneur have a certain basic characteristics, that means the basic qualities. First, to the person is a risk taker, and also he have a innovative organizer, that means to have a creative knowledge about the particular activities, and also have a achievement motivated through technical competent, and also have a self confidence, and they have a social responsibility of a business activities, and also have a optimistic and equipped with their capabilities to drive their activities in a particular business, and also they have a mental ability to do their certain activities, and also have a human relation communication abilities, decision making power, and also have a business planning capabilities, and venture capitalist visionary power, and make a significant difference about entrepreneur, and also to ability to spot and exploit they have an opportunities, and also to have a courage about to face about their competition advertising, and also they have a leadership qualities. These type of activities have a such a entrepreneur is a good entrepreneur. Next, to see about women entrepreneur. When a woman moves forward, the family moves, and also the village moves, and the nation moves, is rightly said by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. When a woman set up an enterprise due to economics as well as non-economic reason, certain reasons they have to do certain activities, that means they have a entrepreneur. First one, motivational factors, and also have a facilitating factors. Motivational factors have a economic necessity, self actualization, independence, government policies, and educational qualification, role model, and also have a self identity and a social status. These are the motivational factors to induce the woman become an entrepreneur, and also have a facilitating factors. These are have a adequate financial facilities, self satisfaction about doing that particular activities, and also innovative thinking, network of contact, cooperation of family, experience, and also skilled people at their work. And last one, have a support of their family members. These are the facilitating factors to force the woman to become an entrepreneur. And also, next, to see about certain problems faced by the woman entrepreneur. There are various problems faced by women entrepreneur, from the idea initiating to till the enterprises. There are certain problems. First one, absence of entrepreneurial aptitude. They have aptitude, but how to retrieve their aptitude in a nation, and also marketing problems, financial problems, family conflicts, and also have a credit facilities, shortage of raw materials, have a heavy competition, high cost of production, and also social barriers, problems of middleman or retailers or wholesaler, and also lack of gathering their informations, and also to about their self confidence level, and also to lack of access to the latest technology, and also lack of training about the particular activities, and also have a late start about the enterprises, and involvement of high risk, because the entrepreneur have a high risk, because when activities have to do it, they have a lot of problems arises to do their particular activities, and also have a legal formalities. These are the problems are faced by the woman entrepreneur to do their particular activities. Next, to see about incentives and subsidies. There are in our government, they have provided certain incentives and subsidies to become a woman entrepreneur. That means to increase and support of an entrepreneur, and also to enhance their productivity to do their activities, and also these type of incentives and subsidies to motivate to the woman entrepreneur. These incentives are given in the form of certain concession, subsidies, and bounties. First, to know about subsidies. Subsidies is nothing but the one-time lump sum amount given to the entrepreneur by the government. It is a financial help to cover the cost of a particular activities. That means to a particular business enterprises. Next, to see about bounty. Bounty is a financial help provided to an industry, and also it can compete with other units of a country as well as any foreign industry in a same business. These are the incentives, subsidies, and also bounties are given by the government to encourage to start a business in a particular locality, especially to the woman entrepreneur. Thank you for all.